Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Cara Beauty Sagittarius eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take that tan shade. Actually, I put it to the wrong shade, but I'm going to take the shade above it and I'm going to put that on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and it helps with my content being shown. Now I'm using the Covergirl Get In Line liquid liner in black vinyl. Next I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue in the Ioni Wispy lashes. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For a primer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. To keep my makeup matte and to keep my face from getting oily, I'm going to use the Be Pure Blurring Pressed Powder in medium deep. For foundation, I'm going to use the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just going to put this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. To bronze my face, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut, and I'm also going to contour my nose. Next, I'm using the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara just because I forgot to put it on earlier in the video, like early in the makeup process. So yeah, I'm just putting it on now. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Cinnamon Bun just to set where I had the concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place the Blush Rose eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take those two shades and use those for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that shade and use that for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the NYX Candy Slick Lip Color in Cream B, and I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this tan eyeshadow look. This is a nice soft glam eyeshadow look that can be worn for everyday wear or a special occasion or whenever you want to wear it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted for all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel as well. It helps with my content being shown. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And please share, comment. I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks that you want to see, please let me know so I can do them. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.